Okay, everyone, so let's start with the next question. The next question is also on the probability topic, probability, which we covered in the last question. This is the same concept equal to total favorable cases upon total number of cases. So let's look at the question. Question says a bag contain 2 red, 3 green, and 2 blue balls. So we have, let me color them in red, 2 red, and then 3 green, and 2 blue balls. Now it says 2 balls are drawn at random. So they are saying out of these 7 balls, we are selecting 2 balls. So to select 2 balls out of 7 balls, this will be used. This is a combination 7 out of 2 balls. So how to find this? To choose the probability out of 7 and the need of the case is 2. How to write this? NCR equal to n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial. To solve this, we will get the answer as 7 factorial upon 2 factorial and 7 minus 2, which is 5 factorial. If we expand this, 7 into 6 into 5 factorial upon 2 into 1 into 5 factorial, which is this one. I have just expanded this, not this. So this is same. I just cut it out. This will come as result of 7 6 are 42 upon 2. We'll just remain it in this form. Moving to the next position in the question, which is what is the probability that none of the balls is blue? So we have taken 2 balls out of 7, and they are saying what is the probability if the ball is not blue. So we can just take the probability of this 2, get coming this 2, which will be equal to none of the blue. If you don't understand this, you can assume it this way like this. If we have red and blue balls in the back, if we just draw red ball, there's a 100% probability that the ball is not blue because we can see the ball is red, and vice versa. So if we have to not to choose blue ball, we can just say we have not chosen blue ball because the ball coming out of the bag is red, either red or green. So let's find it out. It will be the number of count, which is 2 red plus 3 green balls equal to 5 balls, right? So we have to choose 2 balls out of this 5. So this was the number of total cases, and this is the number of favorable cases. Let's just expand this 5 factorial upon 2 factorial and 3 factorial. This will come out as 5 factorial upon 2 factorial. Let's just open this into 3 factorial. Let remain 3 factorial, which is this. Open this, which will be 2 into 1, the same, 20 by 2. So according to our probability formula, this will come as favorable cases upon total cases. So our favorable cases are 20 by 2. Let's just write 20 by 2, and the total cases are 42 by 2 because we have find 7C2, choosing the 2 balls out of 7, and then we have condition which we have not to choose the blue balls, so we have chosen 5 balls out of 2. These 5 balls are not to be blue because these are either red or green. So let's just cut it out. It will be 20 by 42. Solving it, it will come to 10, 21. That's it. No more cutting. Just divide by 2. Let's just look at the option. I can see option as 5 by 7 is wrong. 2 by 7 is also wrong. 11 by 27. So close. But so far. 10 by 21. Yeah, this is the right answer. Let's just use this green color to mark it. Okay. Goodbye. Let's see you in the next question.